Hi, my name is Keith and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so I don't really have to prove anything to you guys that my staff work. So lately I've been dropping courses which are really detailed and really awesome. But yeah, even though I've been trying to do the good thing, okay, a lot of you guys have been commenting negative things. Okay, so some of the comments I've been seeing on my YouTube video is uh, that anyone who teaches you how to make money online is a scammer. Okay, this does not work, blah blah blah. Okay, in short, I've been really seeing a lot of negative comments, especially on the videos where I talk about my courses which I have got on my website. Okay, so here is a small history. I've got two channels. There's Keith Rainz and Keith Zambia. So the main channel has got 27,000 subscribers and it has got 617 videos. The second channel is Keith Zambia. It has got 12,000 plus subscribers and 167 videos. Okay, so what is the difference between these two channels? This is my first channel and this is my main channel. This Keith Zambia is specifically about Zambian videos. Okay, so on both of these channels, for me to get these subscribers, it means that people saw value in my content and they wanted to watch more content from me. Okay, because if the content that I make was not working, I wouldn't have been getting this type of subscribers. Okay, and these subscribers wouldn't have just come from nowhere. Okay, so this channel I created it about, I don't know, 6 to 7 years ago, not just to be 5. Then the Keith Zambia one, I created it like 2 or 3 years later, because on this channel I used to post different type of content, and when I publish Zambian content, my international subscribers used to unsubscribe. So this is why I decided to create this channel specifically for Zambian channels. Okay, so yeah, in the first years making money from videos was possible, but as of now, okay, no money is being made from these videos. Okay, but even though I am not making money from these videos, I've actually not stopped from creating content. I still do create content almost every day. But why do I create content? Well, it's because I enjoy creating content, okay, and I enjoy sharing my knowledge or teaching people. Okay, there is no other Zambian who you can compare my content or my channel with. Okay, if you know any Zambian who has created more than 600 videos, okay, feel free to comment, and I doubt there's one who has created the type of content that I create and has got more than 600 videos. You won't find any. Even on my Zambian channel, okay, you can't compare my channel to any YouTuber in Zambia who create this type of content. So in short, my content has really helped thousands, no, hundreds of thousands of people all over the world. Okay, and most of these videos are free to watch. Okay, but why do I have paid courses? Why do I have paid courses? That's the main question. Okay, so as I said earlier on, all my videos have high value. Okay, like most of my content have really helped thousands of people online, not only in Zambia. Okay, most of the people who watch my content, okay, they're from Nigeria, Zambia, South Africa, Kenya, and so on. Okay, but the question is, why do I have paid courses and why not just post everything on my channel? Okay, well, I have not stopped creating content on my main channels or my Zambian channel, but why do I have paid courses? Well, the reason is simple. Okay, even though I may have videos on my channels, these videos are not in order. Let us take for example the forex course. So on my main channel, for example this one, I mainly talk about forex trading. Okay, so if you're interested in forex trading, you can simply go to my channel and watch these videos, but the videos are not in order. Okay, and there are just a lot of videos whereby you don't even know where to start from and where to end. Okay, yeah, so the reason is simple. The reason why I decided to create courses is because a lot of you guys have been contacting me. Keith, mentor me. Keith, teach me. Keith, I'd like to meet you about this. Keith, this and this. Well, the reason is that I don't like moving. I don't like meeting people, and creating courses, okay, has been a good idea because, okay, I won't have to be meeting each and every person. Okay, and the reason why I don't meet people is because Most of you guys will need help, but okay, you want help for free. So for example, just me moving to meet you, like coming to town, okay, it's going to cost money for me. Coming back from town, coming to me is going to cost money, and yes, I don't make any money from YouTube. So this means that all these are going to be on my expenses. So by me actually creating a content, this actually saves both of our times, whereby you don't have to spend money on transport. You can simply pay for the course and learn at any time from anywhere. Okay, but yeah, all my content on my channels contain like they are really good. So why do I have a paid course? So as I said earlier on, I enjoy creating content, okay, and this is something that I've been doing for years and years and years. Okay, so for me to sell a course, it means that it is something that is working and is worth the money. Otherwise, I wouldn't put a price tag on something which does not work. Okay, so this is the first thing that you guys need to understand, is that for me to sell something, it means that it's worth the money. Okay, and that I wouldn't put a price tag on something which is not worth the money. Okay, let us say the example, this course here, how to buy things online. I've made a lot of videos about how to buy things from China, eBay, Amazon, Take a Load, Alibaba, 1698, AliExpress and stuff like that. So these videos are free, they are available on my channel. Okay, but there are still people who get stuck. There are still people who don't get to understand what's in those videos which are available on the channel. This is why there's a course saying how to buy things. So in this course, everything is there, and all the videos are made like in step by step. Like everything is details, whereby even someone who has never seen a computer would understand what I'm trying to talk about. Like everything is shown step by step. Okay, this is why this course exists, so that you don't get to make a mistake, so that when you get stuck, you get help. So when you pay, you get instant unlimited access or help from me. Okay, so it's actually worth the money, and the course is only $5 of about 100 kwacha, and it's really cheap. The second course is the Forex course. But why is the course expensive? Why is it $99 when you can simply watch my free videos on my channel? So as I said earlier on, okay, I've got a lot of videos on my channel. Okay, some may be old, some may not be of high quality, some was making them when I had little knowledge, but the knowledge I have right now is different from the knowledge I had like 5 years ago. Okay, and this course here, the Forex course, okay, here is the fun fact. The Forex course, I spent more than 6 months creating it. Okay, so I woke up every day, researched, okay, shoot, edit, upload for 6 months, okay, creating this content. So imagine I spent 6 months just to create a course, okay, and someone just comes from nowhere saying someone who teaches you how to make money is a scammer. Come on, all these things you are seeing around me, like the stuff you are seeing here, the phones, I'm using, the lighting, the laptops, in short, everything that I have is all possible because of money. Okay, and where did this money come from? This money has come from the same stuff that I teach you guys. For example, the Forex, okay, the crypto, okay, all these things are things that I've actually learned online, and I'm doing the same by teaching you guys, so that you don't have to go through the stuff that I had to do just to get this knowledge. Okay, for example, I've made a lot of mistakes. Okay, I've spent countless hours, sleepless nights, trying different things. Okay, I think you may call me like the god of making money online in Zambia, because I've tried every money making method you can ever think of online. Okay, and I can actually tell you what works and what cannot work. Okay, so the Forex course is a course that I spent more than 6 months to work on. Okay, and you guys from nowhere coming saying that it does not work when you have not enrolled, okay, that shows how stupid you may be. So this course, yeah, actually this course is worth more than $500 because this is a course that I've spent more than 6 months to create. Not only that, this is a course that, okay, the knowledge which is there is the knowledge that I've gathered in the past 5 to 6 years of trading. So this is really a good course, and learning from someone who has taken that time to learn is actually a good idea. So the crypto course, of course, is as well a good course because okay, a lot of people have been getting scammed in Zambia when it comes to crypto stuff. Okay, and it's bad when I see people that they don't know knowledge, they don't have the knowledge they need to understand how these things work, and seeing them getting scammed is just bad. So this is why I've decided to make a crypto course. So what is this crypto course? This is a course that's going to teach you everything that you need to know about cryptocurrencies, but not only that, but also how you can actually make money with cryptocurrencies. So this is the best course, okay, and it guarantees you of making money there and then immediately when you are done learning. So this is a good course. You might want to enroll in it. Okay, so I guess I've talked a lot. Okay, so to summarize, the first point is that everything that I know is knowledge that I've acquired online. Okay, and I've actually bought a lot of stuff, actually own a lot of stuff. Okay, okay, it's just that as for me, I don't like showing off, and this is why you might not see me flashing a lot of stuff. Yeah, but otherwise, trust me, all the stuff that I post do work, and I myself am the living proof that my stuff do work, because this is what I depend on. Like, this is the stuff that I do. I do not have a physical job, but yet I'm able to live a life that surpasses the people who are actually working. Okay, so yeah, the first point is, yes, this stuff do work. Second thing is that I cannot put a price tag on something which is not worth the money. Okay, I did not open my channel this year. My channels have been existing for years and years, and I've been creating content. Okay, and I enjoy creating content. So for me to create a paid course, that means that it's actually worth the money I'm going to pay for. Okay, otherwise, if it wasn't worth the money, I would simply put it on my channel. Okay, yeah. Thirdly, yeah, I guess I've talked a lot. Yeah, but anyways, if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. This is Keith Rainz. Bye for now.